Guys, back on this Peugeot here. So I don't know how to explain this, but I had a small hunch here on this car. This radiator is fitted like this, I think. Huh? And then I saw this little bit of pink here, and I didn't think a lot of it, besides the fact that I wasn't very happy with the cooling system. But then we decided to remove it and check it, and look there, how bad is the leak. Now this can't be seen with the radiator on the car. This is all antifreeze leaking. So that's how you know, because the antifreeze has dye in it. And same like the aircon system has a green dye, so that you can trace. So there's usually a fan over here, so you can't really see. So you literally have to remove the radiator. So that's the one side. And look how wet is it here. And this isn't maybe a massive leak, but you can't really say how much it leaks, because the car, when you drive certain speeds and there's certain flow rates, then certain things happen. So this is what I saw, just that little bit of purple there and so on, and this on here, this little bit of purple here. That's all I could see. Everything else was covered, but upon removal, we really look at that. So you see these long lines, you see the swivelly lines. The swivelly lines are just there to catch the heat that travel in these thin tubes. This is what I was talking about. All these lines are the tubes where the water travels from one side. That pipe comes in, goes through these tubes, and then come out that side and go to the engine. So these are, here's my finger. Let me show you an example. This is the finger, my middle finger. Probably not the best finger to use, but okay, that's my middle finger. Look at the size of that tube. So imagine how little water travel through there. And then this coils dissipate the heat. These things that's running up and down here, they dissipate the heat. But these lines here are where the water travels in. Very thin, not as much as you think, Yeah, so we're gonna replace this radiator. We already ordered it, and we'll fit it, and then we'll see if